the alien tongue of the demigods and the tribal elders. Mr. I don't give a fuckaluffagus. From Connecticut, you know what I'm saying? I spit it like this, son. My damaging blows dismantling foes, cause I be slamming new flows up in your arrogant domes. Do I be pampering hoes with Donna Karen and clothes? The answer is no. You played like a dancer at shows with hammer passenger bows, like a cancer that grows even with chemo. Kill off your oversized ego. Some cats swear to God that they nice for raps, but when they write for the tracks, it's all about ice and gats. But when I attack, you would think Christ was back, cause I'll piss on your platinum plaques and that'll heal the whack. Then walk over watered down raps, make 3 classic albums fall off and still make an amazing comeback. My tour of duty's never for a cutie or the booty. I'm just out for killing groupies like a verbal horror movie. I smack thugs like walking on your mom's rugs with blood on the bottom of your beat up lugs. You whack MCs can't see the alien tongue. That's impossible, like trying to body slam Big Pun. Y'all stole my style, but my rap was packed with LoJack. You got dragged and smacked when I finally took my flow back. I'm coming off the dome, like follicles on Kojak. Come face to face with death like Meet Joe Black. Abusing your mind for amusement, I'm bruising your brain like a tuition. Y'all humans
sitting on top of brandy, trade deep thoughts with Jack Handy. To know me is to love me, but some people can't stand me. Conceited creep, I take a week to answer my beefs. I'm the king, I should be fed grapes and fan with a leaf. Guys want me deceased, girls give my name to they teddies. You whack, you don't deserve life like Martin and Eddie. It starts in the belly, so put some headphones in your stomach and play my tape to your fetus. Watch them grow to be a genius, cause even in a Walkman, we're dying ever readies. My raps sound fat like cats that breathe heavy. Blast music on a school day until the sky is moonlit. My downstairs neighbors bang the ceiling with a broomstick. If you don't like my style, you have the wrong taste. Rise, my mind state is bigger than Spawn's cape. Tapes wasted, whack niggas swearing that they laced it. Face it, rise on top like a rapist. Kick rhymes is priceless, freestyle supports you. I'm an honor to rhyme with, but a jerk to talk to. Mad quiet, you won't even know that I'm there. My closet's full of skeletons, I hang my coats on the chair. Legendary, people won't believe I exist. One day I'll be your favorite rapper and your reason to quit. In ciphers you get skipped while they passing to me. You write your illest whack shit when you imagine you're me. But if I didn't have rhymes, then I'll probably lose my mind and be a psycho late night buying knives from Channel 9, even unsigned. All the rhymes I spit lethal, while your career's lucky like people who need people.
It's the G-A-S to the T-O-N. I don't need no friends, just a pad and pen. Got a master's in battling, best rapper in the university. I earned my degree, burning them seeds, I'm qualified. I'm not surprised by your departure. You ain't got the pride or the heart to survive. Try to convince me otherwise, but your rhymes are kinda iffy. To put it simply, not even Ripley's could convince me. Turn rappers to mince me. Ain't met an MC better than me. That's why these cats lost every penny they bet against me. Evidently they never met me, and now they wish to God they had it. Cause I'm too hard to manage, start to panic trying to assess the damage. Forget the bandits, get the ambulance. I leave bodies from East New York to West Los Angeles, but still there's some non-believers. I guess I can't convince them all. I'm standing 6 feet tall when on the ball, so let the chips fall where they may. I'm here to stay, but when the dust settles, where are they? Scared of the wave, write rhymes every day, rip mics every night, make beats every week. I lead a very full life, so wise guy. My brother, my pal, won't you get on the mic right now and freestyle? Wow, now you done put me on the spot. I was gonna kick this written rhyme I got. Not, I always go off the top. I was born with the ability to kill MCs. I got Spider-Man's agility. Flip on the mic like a white kid on the bike. Wise guy, got the rhyme you like, whether day or night. I open you up like a spike, shake you up, make you explode. I grab the mic, cock it back, and then reload and explode on impact. Whenever I rap, I can't help it, I'm the illest rapper on the map. I wipe you off of it, because you're soft and you should quit, cause you're really not equipped with this shit I come up with to conduct it. Your rap so whack, it's self-destructed. Wise guy, I'm simply too much to fuck with.
Yo, say it isn't so an artist that niggas know. I'm light-skinned, height 5'10", pigeon-toe. And God bless me, I didn't plan to rhyme, but he gave you the gift to be a fan of mine. You stand in line, buying tickets for our events, all night under cement and sleeping bags and tents. At school, I used to freestyle for women in class. Talk about the gear they wore, then they would give me the ass. Then they would pass the word on to their roommates, get their numbers for the summer and hit it over school break. I laid this verse in less than 2 takes, I'm hard to impress. My ex think I want her cause she's enlarged in the breast. Them niggas ain't your peeps, they lie about love. They only call you when they need a ride to the club. I know why you be home mad at your chick, cause she be at our shows front row grabbing our dicks. My parents I used to hear fuck, Lexus didn't hear much. Little nigga sat on phone books to get his haircuts. Few feet inches later, an entertainer. Home of the Knicks and Rangers, sleeping with fitness trainers. Two-timing, so when I die then my royalties divided with more wives than Frankie Lyman. Fans believe I'm alive on some islands. I'm hiding in hot climates, cliff diving. I ain't even done the chorus yet. Chicks send me naked videos like Alanis Morissette. On the net, your spouse be moving the mouse. Emailing when she coming to get the shoes from my house.
Niggas
I'm
wanna
out.
sex my dimes, rock my lines, pass me the lie, but I don't get high. I rap for the cash, appeal to the mass. Hear me screaming I'm broke, then I'm rocking the cast that your girl autograph. Can't maintain, rap till I'm a bald man, needing Rogaine. Show no shame, be quick to dish ya. Come in your girl's mouth, then laugh when you kiss her. Address me as Mr. Punchline the nigga. Put you on spot just like a game of Twister. You the type to rock silver, lie that is platinum. Do a joint with punch and fuck up while you rapping. If I die, rely on words worth to clap 'em. Whether dime or deuce, you know that I tapped them. To call me Punchline, one of a kind. Soon to be one of the greatest rap niggas to shine.